Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to make this delicious smoothie today, strawberry smoothie. I hope you will stick around and watch me as I do it. You're going to need 3 strawberries, 1 banana. You're going to need some almond milk. You're also going to need some honey. So guys, you just need about half cup of milk, almond milk. You need 1 tablespoon, about 1 tablespoon of honey, and that's basically it that you're gonna need, guys. You're gonna blend it up and enjoy. So guys, as you know, strawberries is filled with vitamins, so it's very good for you. So this is something you should try because it's so nutritious and it's also so delicious. It's going to be very beneficial to your body, and also you're going to love it because it tastes really delicious. um it's quick and easy to make for your lunch or for in the morning for your breakfast, whichever you choose to do. It's really a very good and delicious, refreshing breakfast, lunch, or whatever, wherever or whenever you want to take it and drink it. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. So guys, I hope you will try this smoothie and come back to my channel to watch more videos of healthy delicious foods that you can make simple and easy. In couple minutes you have something to eat without stressing out. So hopefully you will come back to my channel and watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.